These super sweet M&S tree ripened plums are in season, so it's time to make my spiced plum, raspberry and almond cake. Cut some M&S tree ripened plums into wedges and stir them together in a bowl with light brown sugar. In another bowl, beat butter and sugar until it's pale and creamy. One at a time, whisk in your free-range eggs. Then add M&S Greek yogurt, self-raising flour, baking powder and mixed spice, whisking well. Once that's all combined, fold through your ground almonds and roughly chopped M&S Peruvian dark chocolate with raspberry. Pour the batter into a lined cake tin, flattening it out with a palette knife. Spoon the plums on top and sprinkle with M&S raspberries and flaked almonds. Cook it on the middle shelf for about an hour until it's cooked through. Then serve up a slice with some whipped vanilla cream. I've got loads more recipes using produce from the M&S farms I've been visiting, so stay tuned for more tasty ideas.